the river with my new sweet saw, with a file in the bucket of my old mucking dough. I'm headed for the woods each morning at the break of day. As I take a little shortcut over the hill, I can hear the whistle blow at the old sawmill. It's the night gang leaving for the bunkhouse across the bay. Well, I'm sitting on a tree stump eating Johnny cake. I heard the whistle blow ahead to take a break. I'm boiling up my tea in an old tin can, 'cause that is the life of a lumberjack man. I'm gonna cut me a jackpine tall and limber. You better step aside when I haul her timber. My double-bit axe is gonna make the big chips fly. Oh, when the cut is clean, I'll set my wedge and I'll drive it into place with a 9-pound sledge. I've already picked a spot where this big trees are gonna lie. Well, I'm sitting on a tree stump eating Johnny cake. I heard the whistle blow, I had to take a break. I'm boiling up my tea in an old tin can, 'cause that is the life of a lumberjack man. Well, the swamper's getting ready to take my load, skidding off my logs and pile 'em on the road. I'm waiting for the jammer to put them on the sleigh. Well, the boss man's a-comin' to scale my lumber. I better make sure that he's got the right number before I let the logs go a-rolling on their way. Ba-da-doo,